preparation classes, especially by Navodayans. Navodaya Mental Ability, chapter number 2, Similarity of. Here is our chapter number 2, Similarity. And in this, first of all, we will be doing some example figures. Here we are having this question and these are our answer figures. So let's compare the question with the answers. And what is the thing we need to do? Eliminate one by one. That is the thing we need to keep in our mind. Okay, eliminate one by one. And we have to select the last one. Select the final or last one. Okay. So we will be following the same here. So first of all, it is having a cap. Does all the figures having a cap? Yes. But by looking into the eyes here, see here one eye is closed, so that is not matching. So we will be selecting eliminating D. And comes to next one is here also in B also the eye is something different. So we will be eliminating B also. And next one is eyes are same in A and also C. See here the mouth is like it is turned to lower side, but in C the mouth is turned to upper side, right? So we will eliminate this C also. So finally we got A. So is this matching the question figure? Everything else is good or not? Check about the nose, ears and cap, everything, and eyes. Yes, all of the A is matching with the question. So we will be selecting A. And the next one here we are having 3 circles. See if we could able to eliminate any one of the thing which is 1. Yes, can we eliminate A? See here it is one line and here also it is one line. But in A there are 2 lines, right? So we will be eliminating A. And then look for the C. Can we eliminate this or not? Yeah, look at these arrows. Actually arrows should be start from this corners, but they have started from somewhat different, right? So we will be eliminating C also. And finally these lines should be like this, but they are some of the part of the line is not given. So we will be eliminating D also. Finally we have B. So before selecting B we have to check whether this B is matching with the question or not. So there are 3 circles and the lines are matching. Internal dark shaded part is also matching and arrows are also matching. So everything is same. So we will be selecting B as our similar figure. And the C one is, third one is, here we are having a big circle. Can we eliminate A? Just look for whether we could eliminate A or not. Okay. So just we will be counting the inner lines. Here this line is, last line is like started from here ending in the corner, and the last line here is started here and ending here. It is not going forward. It is also not going forward. But in A this line is extended. So we will be eliminating A. And in B, check whether this line should not be there, right? But this extra line is given in the B. So we will be eliminating B also. In D, many of the lines are missing. So we will be eliminating D also. Finally we have C. But before selecting C, we have to check whether everything is same or not. Here the lines are same. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are same. Here also the line is only inside the circle only. And in this here, it is starting from here and going to the corner. So everything is same. So we will be selecting C as our similar figure. Okay, let's enter into our exercise number 1. Here we are having fishes. So just check all the things and eliminate one by one. Here it is not like fish. It is something like dinosaur. Like we will be eliminating B. And here also fish is not same. So we will be eliminating this one. And coming to here we have 2 same fishes, but we have to eliminate 1. Here if you count, only 2 of the ribs are there. Here 1 and 2. 2 ribs only there. But in D there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 ribs are there, which is not same. So we will be eliminating D also. Before selecting C, we have to check whether C also similar with A, okay, question or not. Okay, is this all same? Yes, everything is same. So we will be selecting C as our similar figure. And the next one is, here we have to check whether which one we need to eliminate first. So which one we can eliminate first? Here the circle is very big, so which is not same. So we will be eliminating C first. Okay, and then look for here the triangles are in the same direction, but in question the triangles are in different direction, left side 2 and right side 2, right? So we will be eliminating D. And here these are all needs to be triangles, but in option A they given the squares, but they are not matching, so we will be eliminating A. So finally, before selecting B, we have to check whether everything is same or not. So different side triangles, in middle same size circles, and here also circle is there. So P is exactly matching with question figure. And here we have to select the similar figure which is with this. So just look into this, and can we eliminate any one? Yes. Everything is square, but in B these are all circles. So we will be eliminating B first. And then we have to check the direction. First square is given to right side, right? So we will be seeing this here in C, the first square is towards left side. So we will eliminate C. And after that, here also it is right side, and here also it is right side. So it is matching. And then it is left side, and it is also, it should be left side, but it is given in right side. It is not matching. So D also eliminated. So before selecting A, we have to check whether everything is same or not. So everything is same, so we will be selecting A as our correct answer. And next in the fourth one, here the triangles are there, and we have to select the one. So just check for whether we could eliminate any one figure here or not. See, in the last one D, actually this ice cream shaped figures are faced towards up direction, but here one is up and one is down, right? So it is eliminated. And next check for the triangles. Actually this triangle should be inside, but it is in the other direction, so we will be eliminating this A also. And then here if you could see, two of the circle parts are there, but it is not supposed to be, because here we need triangles, right? It is also eliminated. So finally check whether the C is same as 4 or not. Yes, it is same, so we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And next one is fifth one. In the fifth question, we are having the triangles. It is showing to the left side and it is to the right side. In middle, we are having a circle and a square. So in answer figures, first of all, we have to eliminate 1. Okay. By looking into this, here actually this triangle should be like this, but it is somewhat different. So we can eliminate the B here. Okay. If you are looking at A, here the direction of the triangle is to the left side, which is not correct. So we will be eliminating A here. So eliminate A is also eliminated. And look at the D, the alignment, and this circle and square, this line is not straight. It is supposed to be go from here. So we will be eliminating D also. And let's check whether C is correct or not. Yes, the triangle is showing to the left side, and here it is to the right one, and here the circle is there, and also here the square is there. Everything is fine and correct, so we will be selecting C as the correct answer. And next one is, here we could see some faces of joker. So just look into the question figure and also the answer figures. Here the hat of this joker is very different, so it is not same. We will be eliminating D first. And here also, here they have given a different hat, right, which is not matching, so we will be eliminating C. And then we will look into these two. Here the nose of this joker is like triangle, and here it is matching with the question mark. So A is also eliminated because the nose is like triangle, right? So check upon other cap thing, eyes, nose and the mouth. So everything is same, so we will be selecting B as our correct answer. And here we are having outside and circle, so everything is circle, so that is good. And next one, we can directly eliminate this D because this internal shape is in reverse direction, right? this should be upside and this should be lower side, but it is reverse, so we will be eliminating this one. And in B, this arrow mark is not there, so eliminate B. And this shaded part is at right side, and in A the shaded part is in left side, so eliminate A. Finally we have C. In C everything is same as question, so we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And next one is, here we could see different fish. So this is a question fish and these are the options. And in C there is only one fish, so it is not at all matching. We are eliminating C. And next we will be monitoring about these things. Ribs are there, right? Here there are more ribs and here there are no ribs, so it is not matching. We are eliminating A. And then look on to this B and D, so we have to eliminate 1. See, if you could see the tails of the fishes, these are shaded, but in B these are not shaded, so we will be eliminating B. And finally D is all same as the question, so we will be selecting D as our correct answer. And next one is 9th one. Here we are having a dark stick and a black ball. So just look into this and eliminate one thing, that is D, because this ball is not black, it is white, right? And here in B also, here this line is not matching, so we will be eliminating B also. And the next one, here it should be line, but in C this line is not there, so we will be eliminating C also. And finally check whether A is correct or not. So everything is same as A with question figures, so we will be selecting A as our correct answer. And the next one is 10. Here it's supposed to be have a longer circle, but in A it is square, so we eliminate A. And in B also it is the small circle, so we will be eliminating B. And C is almost matching, but D is also having a dark black circle inside, so we will be eliminating D, and the correct answer is C. And the next one is 11. Here we are having fish. So in question fish there is no like a black eyeball in the fish, but it is in there in D, so we will be eliminating D. And the next one is, here we don't have this extra line in the question, so A is also eliminated. Okay, and this mouth of this question is towards the up direction, but in B it is towards the down, so we will be eliminating B. Finally our C is matching with the question, so we will be selecting C as our correct answer. Here in this 12th question, this B is having this extra line, so it is eliminated. And here there are 6 figures, but in C there are only 3 figures, so C is also eliminated. So we will be checking A and D. Just compare these figures and check whether which one is correct. Okay, here these dots are bit different, and also this head part is short, not exactly like the question. Here see, D is exactly matching in all these 6 figures and also with the head part, length of the head, so we will be selecting D as our correct answer. And here we have to check one by one very neatly. Okay, and in the top one, this U is towards the left side. Is everything left? Yes. And the downward is towards the right side. Is everything right? Yes. So we didn't eliminated anything, so let's enter into our inside. Actually this line is starting from left and coming to the right corner, so this is same, and here also it is same, but here this is not happening, so we will be eliminating C. And here also it is good, fine. And here this is like U and then N, U and then N, it is not matching, so A is eliminated. And U and then N matching, and U and then N matching, that's good. And here also we are having one U and then N, right? We are having only B and D to compare, and here also we don't have U first, so B is eliminated, but D everything is same, so we will be selecting D as our correct answer. And the next one is 14. Here we are having inside, here it is a square, but in option A it is like hexagon, so we will be eliminating A first, and then anything else we can eliminate directly. Just check. Okay, so let's compare one by one, and then let's enter into these lines. Here left up we are having one and right down we are having one line. Here we don't have lines, but in B there is no line here, so B also eliminated. And here line is there, here also line is there, but here it is in C, extra line is also there, so C is also eliminated. But in D everything is matching and lines are also matching, so we will be selecting D. And the next one is 15. Here we are having long cylindrical shape, everything is same, and inside we are having circles, that is also same, and at the top we are having a square which is parallel to this line. Okay, the square in the line of, so it is there in the same direction, that is fine. And here also it is there in the same direction, but in D the direction is not same, so D is eliminated here. And then next we will be checking upon here this one, this cylindrical shape. Here this cylindrical shape is fine, but this cylindrical shape is not fine, so we will be eliminating B. Okay, and next one is we will be checking upon our arrows. Here arrow is up and then it is down, so it is up, it should be down, but it is not down, so we will be eliminating A. And the final one is it is up and it is down, so C is matching with the question, so we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And here we have got some like planet, so let's check this. So do we have a circles in all this? We have to check this directions like arrow marks. Here it is in middle, but in B the arrow mark is given at the start, so we can eliminate B. And here it is fine, and here this is going in the reverse direction, so we can eliminate D also. And then we will be checking this is in which direction it is there. It is there in the direction of clockwise, right? So check whether A and C are going in the same way or not. So this is also clockwise, and in C also it is there in the clockwise. And inside this is coming to down, right? So this is coming down, this is also coming down, and then this is going up, this is also going up, and this is also fine. But if you check the gap between this line and this line, the question A, option A is exactly matching with the question, but D we are having more gap, right? So we will be eliminating C here. And the next one is 17. Here we have right side shaded, so in D it is left side shaded, so we can eliminate D. And then just check upon this hands like structures. First one is up and next one is down. This is up and down, but in C it is not matching, it is down and up, right? We will be eliminating C. And then check this triangle directions. This is going like this, and here the direction of the triangle is not good, it is not matching, so we will be eliminating A. And here in B, directions of the triangles matching, hands are also matching, shadows matching, everything else is also matching, so we will be selecting B as our correct answer. And next one is 18. Here we are having a circle inside, but in C it is square, so we will be eliminating C. And here also a dark extra circle is there, so eliminate D also. So we will be comparing these two. And here this is dark circle, but we want unshaded circle, that is there in the B. So let's eliminate A and compare the B. So black and white, black and white, black and white, black and white, circle is there and everything else is same. So we will be selecting A as our correct answer. And here the question is like this, and here this is supposed to be like this, but it is given something wrong, so we eliminate A. And then this is, let's check, but the gap is not fine here, and here we have more gap which is not same, so we will be eliminating C. And in D everything looks same, let's check, right? So here the gap is also matching, and in B the gaps are not matching, here the gap is more, right? So we will be eliminating B and select D as our correct answer. And the last and final one of this exercise is this one. Here we have to check upon the sizes. Okay, here this is something like extra triangle is given, so we will be eliminating D first, and then here this is touching the line, so we will be eliminating B. Okay, and the next one is here, see, if you check here, the direction of the triangle is reverse, which is not same, so we are eliminating A also. So finally we are left with C, and we will be selecting C as our correct one. So this is how we have to do similarity mental ability figures. So if you got understand how to think about these figures, I hope you got. And are you ready to do all the exercises? Yes, these are all exercises are for you. Just grab your books, take your pencils, and do all these exciting and happy problems. All these problems are for you. If you found anything is difficult, or if you got any doubts, you can let me know. You can comment out in the comment section, so that I will be explaining for you. Okay, these are all for you. You need to complete all these exercises. And follow up for to have the next session, that is that session number 4 about incomplete figures. Okay, become Navodaya preparation classes, especially by Navodayans. Join here to learn more, understand more, prepare more, and to become the future Navodayan. Already we had one chapter, that is Odd Man Out, and this is our session number 3, and in this chapter we will be learning how to do similarity mental ability figures. Okay, we will be seeing lot of things around us. Here you could able to see a guy in our left side, and there are 4 persons in our right side. Could you able to find him? Yes, the guy is wearing green color dress. Can you able to find out him? Yes. Where is he? Here he is. Okay. So in the same way we have to find out the one which is matching with the question. Okay. So here in our left side we could able to see violet color flowers. Can you able to find out those flowers in our right side figure? Yes, they are here. Where are they? Here they are. Right. In the same way we have to find out the cycle which is matching to this cycle. Here it is. So which cycle is matching this one? Here this cycle is, the color is different, and also we don't have front basket. Okay, and in the second circle, let me write. So here the color is different. Color is different. And in this cycle, this basket, the basket which should be here is also missing. And here in the second cycle, here let me check, and here the basket is there, and the yellow color one is also there, and the cycle structure is also same, and here, so it is matching the upper cycle. Let's go into the third one. Here the cycle is bit different. It is in the opposite direction. It is missing this yellow one here, and in this back side also it is having an extra yellow thing. So what is the cycle which is same as the above circle? That is this circle. Here it is. Okay, and here we are having lot of cars. Okay, we have to find out this car among all these cars. So where it is, can we able to find out? Yes, where it is? Here it is. So the above car is, we can this here. Okay, in the same way we have to think how to do this similarity figures. Here we are having question figure, and A, B, C, D are our optional figures. Okay, and we have to find out the figure which is matching the question figure. Okay, see here this figure is there. There are two squares, and inside we are having one triangle and one circle. We have to find out which one is matching this. So can you see here? Just see here and find out which one is matching. That is triangle and circle. It is there in option number C. But if you could see, the same thing is there in B also, which is exact. What is matching exactly? So actual the exact matching is B. So while we are doing like this, we have to follow a manner. First of all, we need to think whether anything is matching or not. If you could see, we will be selecting C directly, but it's not good practice. The actual answer is B, right? So how to do these things? We should not directly select the one which is matching. Okay, we should not directly select the one which is matching. We have to select the one. First of all, we have to eliminate one by one, and finally we have to select the last one. So how to eliminate these things? First of all, we need to think whether there are any mismatches are there, like the kind which is not here. Like if you could see, here there are two triangles, so it is not matching the question. So we need to eliminate the A first. First of all, we have to eliminate one. Next one, we have to eliminate one more thing. So while we are eliminating, here it is triangle and then circle. In the last one, it is circle and then triangle. So it is not matching. So we will be selecting D also. Eliminated D also. And we are left with B and C. So we have to eliminate one more thing. So how we can eliminate? Triangle and circle is there in both the figures. It is triangle and circle. It is triangle and circle. But here we could see one line here and also one line here. But in opposite here, we don't have any line, and here also we don't have any line. So we have to select the one which is matching exactly. But in option C, there is no line here. So it is also eliminated. Finally, option B is selected. So we have to think in this manner. We should not select the matching figure directly. First of all, we have to eliminate one by one, and last we have to select the final matching thing. So this is how we have to do our similarity figures. Okay, I hope you got how to think about this figures. So after this, let's enter into our real game. Okay, chalo, let's do our Navodaya problems. So this is similarity.